Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn about some expressions of obligation. When do we use these expressions of obligation? Usually, we use expressions of obligation to convey a sense of duty, requirement, but they are not direct commands. They can basically be a more polite way of expressing a command. You have already seen some expressions of obligation before, such as tener más que más infinitive, when it means to have to, or hay que infinitive, one must or it is necessary. This is more impersonal. I, there is, there are. Today we're going to learn another expression that means should, but conveys a recommendation or suggestion rather than a strict obligation. This one is super easy, and it's debería if you're advising, recommending something to one person, or deberían if you're telling it to more people, and then you add the infinitive of the verb. Okay, let's look at some examples. Deberían enviar las invitaciones para la fiesta del Año Nuevo pronto. This is plural. You should send invitations for the New Year's party soon. Let's look at the singular example. Debería disfrazarse para el Día de los Muertos. In this case, you should dress up for the Day of the Dead. And let's look at negative one. No debería batir los huevos antes de añadirlos a la mezcla. You should not beat the eggs before adding them to the mix. And this is it for today.